Yeah, turning into hooligans again, huh? Yeah.
Hi. Puppies.
She just got both paws around his neck there.
Hi. Hiya. Go ahead, those boys.
I have to
Go
move
get
this.
your dad.
Going to sleep here. Okay. Are you tired?
Oh, yeah.
Are you
There were
tired?
times when I'm getting home from the office and he just comes home and he's too tired to eat his dinner. He just passes out in his crate.
Yeah.
Aw, she's so cute. She wants to wrestle with them.
You go want to wrestle with those bad boys? Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. You go wrestle with those bad boys. Hi.
Oh.
Of course, they choose to wrestle by Bella.
Well, Bella's safe. She's on the scale.
She's over on the
scale. Oh, yes, you can go wrestle with her.
And she just laid down.
Hi, Bella.
Now that is not a.
Ignore them. Maybe they'll all go away.
Uh-oh.
Nope.
Uh-oh.
She's like, what does a girl have to do to let them know I don't want to do this?
She's like ignoring him. Jeez, guys, you want to let me like sit down?